Huh, guys, still looking. Doesn't help that there was a massive spike earlier down at about 10 o'clock today, so it's a bit difficult to trade today, if I'm being honest with you. There was a massive drop earlier, so I don't expect. There's a lot of lowness in liquidity here. You can see all these wicks on US30, so I don't know if we're gonna probably. We should technically we should be coming and sweeping these wicks. We should technically be sweeping these wicks. You can see this is all low resistance liquidity. Okay, so we rejected from this 1 hour. Yeah, you can see. No, we didn't actually. We went through it and then we went back up. So we just mark this 1 hour there. Okay, let's see for a setup here, right? US30, right? We had a breakout here. Nothing cooking yet. We still yet to get something. Okay, so we've got a fair value gap here that formed right here, 1 minute. I think that's also a 1 hour FEG there as well. No, 1 hour 15 minutes. Let's delete this big one here for now. We've got this 1 hour FEG inverted now. Let's see this here. See that. Possible targets. If we do decide to go long, okay, we've swept all this liquidity on the side here. We've taken out there. See that sell-off earlier is putting me a bit off from this morning. You see, it's kind of messed up what plans that I might have had. The move basically effectively kind of happened for the day. If you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but you just gotta be patient and see what happens. See US30 quickly. So US30 as well. It's a rough one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Rejected from there. Okay, if this candle closes bullish, we'll take buys here. I'm entering buys if we close bullish here. Okay, like I said, this isn't really like a definite target that we could go. Okay, so it didn't even close bullish. It's still rejecting. Has to close above the fair value gap there. We're not entering it. We're waiting. See, it didn't close bullish. See, that's playing the games, guys. You should just be patient. Don't wanna get a shit set up here. Okay, so if it closes bullish again, we'll take a setup. But if it doesn't, we wait. We wait. We can enter at maybe like the last 10 seconds of this candle. So we can enter there if we want to. Okay, we can enter now. Buy Nasdaq. Okay, you can enter now. Buys on Nasdaq, right? So you can buy Nasdaq now. Stop loss just below this previous low right here. There is these two fair value gaps here. So if we do get retracement, I would expect that we do come possible retracement back into this gap here as well, yeah. So that's it, just going with the favor stop loss there. So let me just give a HFM pricing we're looking at. Sure, it's big. It's a big stop loss again. Okay, it's a kind of a big stop. We will adjust the stop loss as I see things get better, and I'll tell you where to go breaking. But you should be in profit now, so guys should be in buys on Nasdaq. 29056. This is not the best of buys. I do not like the setup at all. It's not like what, because like I said, the move for the day happened already at 10 o'clock. It's a very risky setup. This was our move here, so we can go break even here once we take out that point right there. We can go second TP there at this high right here. Okay, eventual TP there at the top. Okay, it's in a better drawdown now. Yes, it's ejecting. Okay, so let's see now. This is important. We must not inverse this. We cannot inverse this. Right, that's important. Okay, we cannot inverse this. We are rejecting of the 50%. Right here. Let's see, we're rejecting quite there. It looks like it's gonna hit. Let's see how this goes. Come on, push. Currently down 1,600 on this trade. Okay, it's pushing back up now. Come on. Let's delete this one now. Alright, we're coming back to entry. Alright, please inverse this Nasdaq. Alright, can we inverse this? There we go. Back at entry. Back at entry, guys. Alright, come on, push. Go a bit higher now. Push, push, push. It's rejecting at our entry. Yeah, I'm not liking the price action today. Oh, he just rejected straight off this FEG. Yeah, he just rejected nicely there. Come on, inverse it. Close above. He needs to close above here. These two, right here. That's what I want to see. I want to closure above here, then we can see something happen. Then I'll actually adjust break even point till there. This is break even point right here. We'll go break even early. This is not the best of trades. To mention this. There isn't a distinct like unfilled gap that I'm like targeting here. There is these 1 hours gaps here, but it's not nothing like this could possibly be the target. The target here. So I'm just gonna put this here. Okay. It's playing around the 50%. I need a candle closure here. If you can get a candle closure like here, would be lovely. It's almost there. It's almost where I want it. It just needs to push. It's ejecting. Oh, no. Looks like it's gonna close again below this fair value gap here. Yeah, it's closing inside this thing. Hey. I think there was a 15-minute here. There was not a. Okay, there's a 15-minute IFEG there. Okay, 1 hour quickly. Yeah, let's put USDT off. Okay. We'll do that. Wait for 4 o'clock. I hope we can survive this trade till 4 o'clock at least. At least till 4 o'clock. Mm. Yeah, there's 1 hour IFEG. So let's see. I want to see this 1 hour close. 4 o'clock needs to basically close here. Obviously, if it hits SL, and the whole trade would be invalid. But as long as we kind of get a closure above this, I would be confident. I would have some confidence in this trade. Currently, not at all. It's looking not good. Okay, come on, push. Oh, too many rejections here. Oh, it's rejecting again. Uh, Coming back to entry now. Right, finally. Can we get some movement? Full margin on the demo. Okay, so can we get it? Can it? Yes, finally. Finally. We invest that 1 minute. Finally, we invest 1 minute. After like a whole 10, 15 minutes in drawdown. But it's still not, we could still get a spike at 4 o'clock. This is a 10 a.m. candle. We could get a spike here. So just be careful. You're very close to break even. So okay, so there's a 10 a.m. candle. Now what happens? Uh, Market is very slow. I am not liking this at all. The sooner we get break even on this, the better. This is a remember, this is our break even point. When you take out that high, That'll be our break-even point. It's just, oh, there we dropped. We're dropping again. This is the 4 p.m. candle. Come on. Oh no, 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 no. Come on. There we go. Push up, come on. Mm. I am not liking this. I'm not liking this at all. This looks like it's gonna fly to stop loss. So close to getting break even, yeah. Break even point, so close. So close. I delete this. Other one, yeah, this fair value gap here. We still rejected at the bottom there. So let's see. Where's the 4 o'clock candle? Yeah. I'm not liking this trade at all, bro. Honestly, what is this? Come, it's rejected after 9. Oh, of course, it rejected after 10 a.m. candle. Of course. So it needs to basically like close above there. That's what I want. Close above the 10 a.m. candle. It's giving us a slow death. Slow death. So it's not hitting our stop loss, hitting our TPs, nothing. Yeah, bank holiday type price action. What buy marked? No, this was just a breakout of orb, basically. Okay. Mm. I am hating this price action so much right now. It's balls, honestly, bruh. Ah, it's very close. This is it's looking like it's gonna hit us all. It's inevitable now. That's all it. I'm out, guys. Uh, this was a very, very long trade. It's a very long trade. I actually want to see for re-entry here. I just want to see. Oh, there it. Look how it just pushes up automatically afterwards. Took us out and then now it's pulling up again. I want to just see how this reacts. Actually, if even if we inverse this, we close above this candle here, I will actually take a buy re-entry here. There's a small stop loss as well. So this is not the biggest of stop losses here. So we're just gonna wait for it to close above. Otherwise, we're looking at this entry here. Ours US30 too. US30 pretty much the same, just moving sideways. I think I'm gonna call it today. I think we'd rather not revenge trade or whatever. Just call it a day. I think, but okay, we did sweep these lows. I'm just seeing we swept these lows here, right, and then we rejected from there. So that's actually could be a continuation sell. Yeah, actually, yeah, it was actually a continuation sell. Most likely, probably selling back. We probably might be selling all the way back down here. Okay, I'll just see what how this reacts. We'll just see how this reacts, right? That's our break-even point there, right? So yeah, I know. I think I'm gonna end this. This is taking forever. I think we could take the loss. We did have a good run actually last few weeks. I think we'll take accept the loss. I'm not liking this movement. So yeah, tomorrow, guys.